Hello and welcome to improve your restaurant conversations now and boost your speaking confidence. I'm your host, Alex Rivera, and if you've ever frozen up while ordering at a busy bistro or cringed at a customer's impossible request as a server, you're in the right place. Picture this. You're a customer, heart racing as the server approaches, your mind blanks. Do you say, "I'll have the special," or risk sounding picky? Or maybe you're the server, dreading the table of complainers who turn a simple meal into a battlefield. Sound familiar? Today, in just 30 minutes, we'll flip the script. This guide is packed with ultimate communication hacks to turn those awkward exchanges into confident, positive connections. You'll walk away ready to chat like a pro, whether you're behind the counter or at the table. Why does this matter? Great restaurant talks aren't just polite. They build confidence in everyday speaking, reduce stress, and even lead to better tips, faster service, or new friends. Research from communication experts at Harvard shows that clear, empathetic dialogue boosts satisfaction by 40% in service settings. We'll cover hacks for customers who dread ordering, 10 minutes. Hacks for servers facing tough guests, 10 minutes. Quick practice drills to lock it in, 5 minutes. Grab a notebook, a mirror for eye contact practice, or even head to your local cafe to test these live. Let's dive in. Your confident voice starts now. Pause for 10 seconds. Reflect. What's one restaurant chat that stressed you out? Jot it down. Section 1. Customer hacks. Ditch the dread, own the order. 10 minutes. First up, if you're the customer who dreads ordering, you're not alone. That menu blur, the fear of sounding stupid, it's social anxiety in disguise. But with these 5 hacks, you'll order like a VIP. Each one takes seconds to apply, but builds massive confidence. Hack 1. The menu mirror prep. 2 minutes. Before the server arrives, scan the menu like it's a treasure map. Pick your top 2 choices and 1 backup. Whisper to yourself, "I'll have the grilled salmon with a side of sass." Why? Prepping reduces decision paralysis. Pro tip, use because to justify, e.g., "I'll have the pasta because it's calling my name." It makes you sound decisive, not demanding. Example script. Server, "What can I get started for you?" You, "Hi, I'm eyeing the Caesar salad because I'm in the mood for something crisp. Can you make it without anchovies?" Boom! Clear, confident, and collaborative. Pause. 10 seconds. Practice that line in the mirror. Smile. Eye contact sells it. Hack 2. The empathy echo. 2 minutes. Servers are humans too. Acknowledge the rush. Start with, "I know it's busy tonight. Thanks for your patience." It disarms tension and makes you memorable. Confidence boost? This shifts focus from you to we, easing your nerves. Studies from the Journal of Hospitality show empathetic openers increase positive responses by 25% in service settings. Example, you, "Wow, you guys are flying tonight. Props. I'd love the burger, medium rare." Servers likely reply, "A genuine smile and faster service." Pause, 15 seconds. Think of a question for your next meal. Say it out loud twice. Hack 3. The question quest. 2 minutes. Don't just order, ask. It turns monologue into dialogue, building rapport. Questions like, "What's the chef's favorite today?" Or, "Is the wine pairing bold or subtle?" Show curiosity, not cluelessness. Speaking hack, Keep questions open-ended, who, what, why, to practice flowing responses. Example dialogue. You, this risotto looks amazing. What's the secret ingredient? Server, fresh truffles. Want me to add extra? You, yes please, that sounds divine. See? Conversation flows, confidence grows. Pause 15 seconds. Think of a question for your